Tonight we are at Magic Kingdom, and the reason we are at Magic Kingdom is we are going to ride Splash Mountain. We are going to officially say goodbye to Splash Mountain. We said goodbye to it 3 years ago, but
we thought that was our last ride.
It's not our last ride.
Tonight.
Tonight will be the last time. Well, let's go check it out. This is kind of weird because normally we're in Magic Kingdom on like a Saturday night. It actually doesn't feel too bad on a weekday. It's also time for our Splash Mountain lightning lane, so we're gonna be heading that way. Definitely pretty dark back here, but the temperature right now is amazing. What is it, like 75? Something like that? Up here, almost to Splash Mountain. Gonna get as much footage as we can of the ride. Now the one thing with getting the lightning lane, we won't be in the full queue line, so we won't get to see the full queue, but really it's more about the ride anyway. So this store has not been open in a minute. Lots of pictures are being taken right here by the Splash Mountain sign. We're gonna enter down there. Up here straight ahead is the normal wait time of 45 minutes. Over here is the lightning lane. That's where we're gonna scan in and get right on the ride. Just gonna do a little walk and film here. It'll all look different. I think they said the Tiana ride is opening maybe 2024. We have definitely waited in that long line before. Definitely have waited there. On a hot day, yes. Getting ready to go inside the doors. That is one good perk about the lightning lane. You do get to pass so many things. Definitely don't want to get super wet, so we brought a raincoat to sit on because there's nothing worse than getting your seat meat a little wet and walking around a park. Hear the music, the ride cue music in the background there. You can't run away from trouble. Ain't no place that far. Last chance to exit ahead. It's always fun to document what it looks like. It'll be fun to compare the two rides once the other one's finished, just to see the similarities. What do you think? You think we're gonna get wet? We've been lucky.
I hope not.
All right.
Now that you've said that.
No. We did bring extra clothes in the car, so worst case, we have extra clothes. Already a little wet just from the back.
Yeah, they're not.
Here we go, last time. I guess if we get soaked, we get soaked, huh? Oh.
I hit him for leaving his wild patch. I say he's heading for trouble. Real fox and real bad about. And none of us ever had trouble like that.
It is going to be extremely dark, though. Sorry, it's really dark. Almost got wet. Almost. Oh. Oh, there's some light. We were hoping we could see this during the day, but just couldn't find a time to get out here during the day, so it's gonna be a nighttime ride. Oh, there we go. There's a first. The first and the last.
Come on. Pretty good show, come on. Stop jumping around. Now's our chance to set a trip for him. Time to be moving along. Time to be moving along. Time to be turning around.
Look yonder. There goes Brer Rabbit. Being chased by Brer Fox and Brer Bear. As usual.
Where is this secret hiding place where everything's talking about?
And you'll find yours where you know.
So far, so good still.
Well, there you done been sticking your nose in the wrong laughing place this time for sure.
right, it's gonna be really dark until they snap our picture, then it'll be very bright. What are we doing for the picture? I am completely soaked. It's all over my phone, and my head was above everybody else's. So,
No, I didn't get wet at all.
I don't even know if you can see because my phone's got so much water on it. How are you?
My hair's pretty wet.
I don't know if you can see. My phone is soaked though. I'm soaked. I literally it was like windshield for everybody else. I think I got chlorine in my eyeballs. Hopefully there's not water in the mics and you can still hear what we're saying, but yeah, that was definitely soaked.
Are you going to be able to answer the question?
Just go ahead and soak me a little more. Yeah. I think my pants are fine. Yeah, I think it's just my shirt. And honestly, I normally duck, but I knew they were going to take a picture, so. Now we're almost back to the front. I know my camera's a little blurry because it is just soaked with water right now. As we end up here, as the last time, we are on it. Have to show you how soaked we are when we get out there. And there we have it. On a positive note, my pants are not wet at all, which is terrific. Just my shirt, and it's soaked. And over here's where you can scan your magic band or your pass and get your photo. Yeah. Then it should take us to the shop, but I heard there's really not a lot left in here, so. See if there's any sort of anything. I bet if they had anything Splash Mountain right now, it'd be going crazy. I don't know how well, yeah, you can't see my shirt. Well, maybe. See the different colors? This whole side's just completely soaked. How's my hair? Is it? I mean, it literally, I was.
Put your hand down.
And that brings us right out to the restroom. But honestly, it was a. Huh?
The bird just flew in front of my face. Seeing things.
Honestly, it was slightly sad. Like, just because you grow up and that's the ride around here, and then you think all those little animatronics are just going to be gone.
Well, they don't really know, though.
They know, though. They have feelings. But looking forward to the new ride.
Yeah.
I think they're going to do a really good job with it. And I know Splash Mountain has had some issues occasionally, like with their boats and stuff. I think they'll have all that fixed and it'll look pretty good. I wonder if a pressed penny, if they have a Splash Mountain pressed penny. That would be really cool. Let's see. Magic Kingdom Big Thunder. Yeah, let's do it. We're going to get... So just as a reminder that we rode this a few days before it closed, we're going to get these coins, and it's $4 for all 4 coins. It does take credit card. So it says unable to accept cards at this time, so I'm guessing
They probably don't have it.
they're probably not doing it anymore. So we will not be getting one of those. It's a little reminder of the ride. Look at this as we get off the ride. Perfect way to end Splash Mountain. All right, I think we're gonna end the video here. We originally were gonna film the other rides we're going on, but we thought that'll turn into a long video, and we really just wanted to dedicate this video to Splash Mountain. We'll have it documented. It'll be on our YouTube channel, and we can always go back and see the last time we actually rode, pardon the fireworks, rode Splash Mountain. Then when the new ride's here, the Tiana ride, we can actually compare them, and then we'll have both of those saved. So I think that's it. Good memories. About getting soaked?
No, the time that the hurricane.
Oh yeah, we did have a bad memory here with the hurricane.
We were on the ride, and Hurricane Dorian was coming, and we had to fly back to Missouri.
Turn this one, not so shadowy. There we
We
go.
had to fly back to Missouri, and we got text alert literally at the zippity-doo-dah part that said, what was it? Orlando International had been shut down.
It's all closed.
Flights
All
were
flights
gone.
closed,
It
yeah.
was
But
so,
that's a memory
a
we
memory,
have.
though.
And then I thought it was pretty cool. I don't think I've ever, and you've never rode it at nighttime. So this is the first time we ever rode it at nighttime, and then also the last time we ever rode it. Good memories.
memories.
With that being said, that does it for tonight. Thanks for watching. How ironic, do you hear the song? From The Princess and the Frog. This is a perfect way to end the video.